Story title: The Secret of the Stone Wall. The New House. Leo and his family moved to a new house. It was near a big forest. The house was very old, but it was nice. Leo liked the garden the most. It was full of tall trees and green grass. On his first day, Leo walked around the yard. He walked until he saw a high stone wall. The wall was very long. He could not see over it. Leo walked along the wall. He wanted to see what was on the other side. After a few minutes, he saw something shiny on the ground. It was a silver key. He looked up and saw a small wooden door in the wall. Inside the garden. Leo felt a mix of fear and excitement. He picked up the silver key and brushed off the dirt. His hand shook a little as he put the key into the lock. With a loud click, the old door unlocked. He pushed the heavy door open and stepped inside. The air smelled sweet, like honey and roses. It was much quieter here than outside. The garden was wild and overgrown, but it was beautiful. There were flowers in colors he had never seen before. Some were bright purple, and others were a deep glowing orange. In the center of the garden there was a round fountain. The water was clear and still. Leo realized that nobody had visited this place for a very long time. The Guardian. As Leo approached the fountain, he noticed a peculiar statue standing amidst the vegetation. It was a sculpture of a large wolf carved from sleek black marble. The craftsmanship was exquisite. The wolf looked incredibly lifelike, as if it were merely frozen in a moment of slumber. Suddenly, a beam of sunlight pierced through the canopy of trees and struck the statue. To Leo's astonishment, the marble eyes of the wolf seemed to shimmer with an iridescent glow. The atmosphere shifted instantly. A sense of ancient magic permeated the air, suggesting that this sanctuary was protected by forces beyond his comprehension. Leo stepped back respectfully. He understood that this secluded paradise was not meant to be disturbed. It was a remnant of a forgotten era, preserving its beauty in isolation. He quietly retreated, closing the door on the secret world, vowing to keep its existence a mystery forever.